Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. Before we get started this week, I want to give a special shout out to our community member of the week, and her name is Shauna. Shauna did a beautiful recreation of our modern garden wedding centerpiece, and she was so kind as to post it on our Facebook page. And Shauna, you did an awesome job. All right, guys, let's get started with this week's episode. Oh, one more quick thing. I keep getting the same comments in our social media as well as our comments on YouTube, wanting to know about the links to the newsletter and also the links to the Ebates and the links to our website. Everything, and I do mean everything, all of those links are in the description right below this video. So, after the video is over, go ahead and go right to the description and you will find all the links to those wonderful things. All right, so let's get started with this week's episode. This week's request comes from a younger member of our community, and her name is Allie, and she writes, Project request, hi MissPlanIt, hi Allie, my quince is coming up soon. I want to know if you could recreate this on a budget of $10. My theme is royal blue and white. Thanks, Allie. Well, Allie, it is our absolute pleasure to recreate this. Not only this one, you're going to get 3, yes, I said 3 ideas, all at or under $10. This is our special. Let's see what we can do with our Dollar Tree finds. And I'm so excited. We're calling this Simply Bluetiful Centerpiece. So, all right, Allie, here's your project. Let's go. So the first of our 3 projects is this lovely box flower centerpiece, and it comes from 3 items. One is our 5-inch by 5-inch foam block, purchased from the Dollar Tree. Next is our plastic gem ribbon, also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and our wonderful blue roses. So your first step is to go ahead and measure out your plastic gem ribbon, and you're simply going to wrap it around just as if it was a present, a flower gift, yes. Now on the back of mine, I'm using floral pins to attach it to the foam block, but you can always use hot glue. So I chose to use 2 different color royal blue roses just to add some extra interest and some extra depth. It's really your preference. One of them I did actually purchase directly from the Dollar Tree, and the other I got from another local craft store. But again, don't worry, all of the links are in the description below. So Allie, this Glam flower square comes in at under $6. So this could be one of your options to go along with your main vase and flowers. Now I'm going to show you how we can glam up this Dollar Tree candle for under $6. The first step is we're going to cover the bottom third of the candle with white crystal glitter. So first I'm just going to paint on a thin layer of Mod Podge right onto the candle. And then we're going to just simply sprinkle on the glitter like we're sprinkling on a little salt or seasoning on our food. So that is our first step. So once we let our glitter dry for about 30 minutes to an hour, we are then going to attach our plastic gem ribbon onto the top portion of our candle. Now, Allie, the wonderful thing about this project is you can do several candles using the same bottle of Mod Podge, the same bottle of glitter, as well as the same roll of gem ribbon. It's such a great savings. And finally, the star of our centerpiece is our vase of blue roses. So we're going to continue our same theme with our white crystal glitter, and I'm going to just paint a thin layer of Mod Podge right onto our 7-inch jarred-in vase that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to sprinkle on that glitter. Now here's a tip. If you want the color to be more pronounced, you can go ahead and do one layer of the crystal glitter, let it dry for at least an hour or two, and then reapply your Mod Podge and do another layer of glitter. And so that'll make that white pop even more. It's a little bit more time, but if you want the color of the glitter to shine through, then that's what you will do. Just do multiple layers. I'm going to go ahead and add a trim of the gem ribbon. I'm doing it to the top or the neck of the vase. You can add the gem ribbon to the bottom of the vase, to the midpoint of the vase, whatever you would like. Remember, we here at MissPlanIt, we give you the plan, you take it and you make it your own. Now we're going to attach our 5-inch foam ball, and I'm going to do this simply by pressing it down into the rim of our vase, and then I'm going to attach glue, or add glue rather, to the indentation that I made. That makes sure that when I place it back on the rim, it's nice and secure. Let it dry for at least 15 minutes before you start adding the flowers. This beautiful vase will top off any centerpiece for right at $10. So, Allie, let's see what it looks like all put together. This is absolutely stunning. I love it when we can show our community members how they can have a beautiful center attraction to any wedding, event, or party for pennies on the dollar. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars, guys, to get this kind of look. Just put a little elbow grease into it and have some imagination and trust yourself that you can do it, and this is what you can end up with. So Allie, we wanted to make sure that we gave you 3 options for your wonderful quince. You can mix and match them. You can have candles on one table, the flower box on one table, the vase on another table, or mix and match them. All of these items are $10 or less. So it gives you the room to be creative with them. Well, guys, I hope you liked this episode. We are so grateful that you allowed us to be a special part of your day. If you would like to know when MissPlanIt posts videos every Wednesday and our special edition videos, please go ahead and subscribe. But more importantly, head on down to the description box and click on the link for our newsletter. That way, we will make sure that you don't miss a thing. We were so heartbroken when we saw so many of you comment how you missed our super chat. But don't worry, sign up for our newsletter and you'll be the first to know when we schedule our very next super chat. And guys, it's coming soon. So subscribe, click on the link for our newsletter, send us a comment, give us words of encouragement, or just say, hey there. We love to hear from you. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, post your pictures of your wonderful projects because we're always looking for a community member of the week. In addition to that, you can head on over to our website if you need help with a project request. Just click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. Do it soon though, our production schedule fills up very, very quickly. We want to thank you again for joining us. We had an absolute ball. Don't forget the special links to our Ebates information. It's just, I love Ebates. I don't know what to say. I just love it. I mean, they pay you to shop. They pay you to shop. It's awesome. So be sure to click on the Ebates and then start making your purchases, guys, through Ebates. Don't just click on it and sign up. You got to then start making your purchases through there so that they can pay you to shop. All right, with that being said, that wraps up another week of MissPlanIt. So, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.